I'm Nazar from Garage Their Geeks, and today we will be using a roll-up shutter in case your power is out. So let's say that we have a power outage and our shutter doesn't work. So using our manual crank, we can attach it, and it's important to watch which way you're spinning it. If you are going in the up position, you will start to notice that each slot will start to separate. And eventually the door will start to raise. When the door is closed, and if you spin it in the wrong direction, you will notice that nothing is happening, and at a certain point, you will meet a lot of resistance. When you meet this resistance, you do not want to keep going, as you may break something. Again, if we are going up, you will start to notice that the slots are separating. To go up will take some amount of time. This is mostly used for emergency situations. It will take a lot of time. As we approach the top limit, you do not want to exceed a certain height. This is where we recommend to stop it. If you continue it higher, the roll-up shutter will disappear up, and if you engage it automatically, things will break. So when operating a manual shutter, you want to make sure you leave the bottom slot at the opening. Do not take this higher. If you like this content, please subscribe for more.